Well, folks, back at Eflite RC here, out here at the Avon Park field. Gonna take up the Habu STS. I'm running an HRB 4000 milliamp 4-cell in her, and just gonna have a little bit of fun with her. This is one great jet to fly. She has great slow fly characteristics. Now I'm going with the wind, kinda. Wind's actually kind of cross, but that's less than half throttle right there. Now, put on some coals. All right, just killed the throttle just now. Just killed it. Well, she's just gliding in so pretty. Nice and stable. And even at this slow speed, she'll do aerobatics. Got my timer set for 4 minutes. All right. Fly by. Try to have unlimited vertical, but hey, you really don't need unlimited vertical. Because you go unlimited, then you can't see it no more. All right. Kind of have to bring her in a little bit slower this time, because I don't have any wind now to slow her down. Really would like to have flaps on this plane, but I don't.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, let's get her landed. That was an unintentional touch and go. Be nicer if I had a headwind to land into, but I don't have any kind of wind to slow her down. So, and I have a very short runway for a jet. So I really need to have her landed or touching down much closer. There we go. Put the brakes on. All right. I'm just gliding her in now. Just letting her slow down naturally. Took out the sand pile. I'll land her in the grass this time. Well, maybe not. I think what I'll do is land her
Time remaining
opposite the runway, on the other side of the runway, and that grass over there. All right, I need a lander this time, give up the field. Some other people want to fly, which is some, especially if you've been flying and they're waiting to fly, you need to give up your field. All right, well, there you go, folks. That is the Habu STS. There you go.